Hey, you can't have this leprechaun's pot of gold, but you can have this pot of gold, which is 1008 Paradise City Boulevard in Mount Juliet. It's 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, got almost 4,000 square feet. Let's take a look at this beautiful kitchen. We've got 6 burners gas stove, and it's got a counter here. I love the butler's pantry with the microwave and a fridge for beverages and a sink in there. And this is a great house, especially for the leprechaun who doesn't like people. So let's find a nice place for the leprechaun to hide. I've found a great place to hide my gold in this big closet in the primary bedroom. We've got dual vanities in here. We've got some big format tiles. We've got a frameless shower and some beautiful mirrors. And the bedroom, the primary bedroom, is 16 by 15. So plenty of room for that king bed and a beautiful view out the back. And that's your backyard, plenty of room for a pool too. This is the second primary suite bathroom. It's got a beautiful shower, got dual vanities, frameless glass on that shower, and double closets in here. This upstairs primary bedroom is 16 by 22, and it has a door to a beautiful veranda, and that veranda is a great place to relax and take a view of the lake, Old Hickory Lake. And here's the secondary bedroom on the main floor. Could use this one as an office. Got some beautiful wainscoting. Does have a closet, and it is attached to the second bathroom on the main floor with a beautiful tiled shower with frameless shower glass. Here's a very thoughtful feature of this house. It's got 2 laundry rooms, one upstairs and one downstairs. Don't have to carry the laundry up and down those steps. And so up here we have a 13 by 14 loft area. These 2 bedrooms share a bath. On this house, there's a $10,000 closing cost benefit, or use it for rate buy down. You'll also get a 1-year boat slip at Cedar Creek Marina. If you're interested in getting more information about this pot of gold, contact this leprechaun, Greg Stroud, at 615-970-0056. You can also inquire with me about Homes for Heroes at rewardheroes.com, where we give back a part of the sales price, 0.7% of the sales price, in a check after closing on this house for military, fire, police, EMTs, medical professionals, and teachers. Again, it's rewardheroes.com.